Microdermabrasion at home is easier than you think. You could go to a spa and have it done for $120 or use the simple method to dye at home for pennies. Today's video will discuss simple microdermabrasion treatment at home. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. A few friends recently asked me to go with them to a spa, and while it sounds like fun, I knew I could do most of the treatments myself, including the microdermabrasion at home treatment, for a whole lot less money. Why use microdermabrasion? It's the process of removing a top layer of your skin using very tiny abrasive particles. This is typically done with particles of silica. It may sound painful, but it's not. The layer on top of the skin is mostly dirt and dead skin cells. Washing your face removes some of this, but not all of the stuff you want to get rid of. If your face is squeaky clean, try this test. Wet a cotton pad slightly with witch hazel and wipe it over your face. You will notice that what you thought was clean actually still has dirt, oil or dead skin that was left behind. You could go to a spa and have the treatment done there for upward of $120, or there's a simple and easy way to do it yourself for literal pennies. Microdermabrasion at home treatment. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon kaolin clay, white cosmetic clay, 1/4 cup baking soda, 1 teaspoon activated charcoal powder, 1 teaspoon grapeseed oil, 5 drops grapefruit essential oil. Directions: mix all of the ingredients together and stir until it forms a paste. You may need a bit more oil so it can slip on your skin. Store in an airtight jar. To use to perform microdermabrasion at home, scoop out a small amount and spray it on your face. Begin working in circles and spray it over the entire face, avoiding the lip, eye and nose area. Pay special attention to problem areas such as acne, scarring. Rinse well and follow with a moisturizer if desired. It is recommended that microdermabrasion at home be done before bed to give your skin time to rejuvenate itself. Using the microdermabrasion at home treatment will help your skin form a new skin cells by increasing circulation. This can cause an oily appearance during the day, so nighttime use is best. And the grapefruit essential oil is slightly phototoxic, which could cause increased sensitivity to sunlight in some people. So don't use this treatment right before going out into the sun. Have you tried natural microdermabrasion at home? What do you think? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.